Yo yo, it's your boy Paul. Welcome back to Watches and Bling. Today I'm a showcase Rolex Presidential white diamond, fully loaded, fully everything. But yeah, we've got a Rolex Presidential, solid 18 karat gold with diamonds. Stunning. It's absolutely stunning. Close to 1,000 diamonds encrusted in this magnificent timepiece. So we've got the men's Rolex here, 36mm diamond, everything. Let's just slide that out. Slide it, slide it. Get me fam, I had to cream up my hands and they're looking at me dry. Get me. Yo, there's not in it. Nah, just messing with it, just messing with it. Yes, fam. See that, you people? Oh my God. Anyway, so let's get this out of the way. Let's do a bit of, let's zoom in some more. It gets me. Pull it over there. So we've got the diamond Presidential. Over 1,000 diamonds in this. Got the normal Presidential seal of approval. Diamond encrusted everywhere. Let's take this off for a minute. Fully iced out face. The usual clasp. Let's pop this off. Ow. Ah, no nails, no nails. Boom. Got stamps there. Let's just see if we can see that. I don't know if you can see that. We've got the 4 stamps, 1 on each corner. I don't know if you can see them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the inside, you've got your stamps. A bit dirty, but hey, let's give it a polish. Lovely timepiece. And it's retails, I think it's pick up like 17,000. Over 1,000 diamonds. See, the got the diamond bezel. It's a really stunning piece, actually. Really stunning. So let's pop that down there a minute. And take mine off. See what's going on. Let's get a little more zoom going on. Really a beautiful watch, yes. And yeah, like I said, 36mm, solid 18 karat gold. Really nice watch. I'm gonna put this on now. Pop it on. Voilà. There you go. Really nice. Sorry, my phone is moving in the background, but it can wait. So there we have the Rolex Presidential. There. Don't forget, like, subscribe, watch some Bling. You know what time it is. Get that? You know what time it is. Yeah. Let us know what you think. Share, subscribe. Let me hear some comments about this watch. Is it something that you buy, or is it something you won't buy? Not like everyone can afford a watch like this, but yeah, hit me up. I want to hear feedback about this watch. It's hard to focus because the diamonds are making the focus go, isn't it? So yeah, let me hear some comments. Get back to me. And subscribe. Got a little tune on it background, you know. I think I'm going to do that now. I'm going to put a little music in the background. Just to like, you know what I mean? Put this back in its box. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for taking time to watch my video. I'm gonna have another video on soon. So there you have the Rolex Presidential. Have a nice day. Your boy Paul. Watch some Bling. Like and subscribe. Don't forget, guys, I want comments. I want to know what you think of this watch. Retails 17 grand. Have a lovely evening. Bye bye.